Hi everyone, and welcome to the Chef's Kitchen, where Ingles caters some of the best events anywhere. I'm Josh Michael here with Chef Kale, and today we're showing you how to make some amazing food right there at home. So Chef Kale, what are we doing today?
Today we're going to do an Italian stuffed pork chop.
Italian stuffed pork chop, all of that sounds amazing, and together it's going to be like heaven.
That's right, that's what we do. So just grab a pork chop from the meat department in Ingles.
Yep.
You're going to just cut a little slit in there.
Are we making a pocket out of it?
Right.
All right. Yep.
You don't need to go all the way through. You don't want to do that.
Okay.
Just nice little pocket, okay?
Easy enough.
So, we got some mozzarella.
Oh, anytime mozzarella is involved, I'm happy.
Right? Let's go a little bit deeper.
Okay.
There we go. Mozzarella, and then I have sun-dried tomatoes. I like to get the ones that are packed in oil.
Okay.
It gives a little more moisture to the pork chop.
Yeah, and that's good, because sometimes whenever I cook a pork chop, it tastes okay, but it's kind of dried out.
Right, right. So the secret to that is brining, but since we are using this and it's kind of already brined, we don't have to.
Excellent.
All right, so we got our little...
Nice and stuffed there, okay.
Yeah, so salt, of course.
Yep.
We're gonna get some pepper.
Excellent.
And then this is just an Italian seasoning.
And that's what, like oregano and basil and what, garlic?
Garlic, yeah,
okay.
exactly.
All right, there you go.
Go for it.
Bam, bam, bam. And then on the other side?
Yes.
All right, now what do we do with it?
So now we got our pan smoking hot with olive oil.
Okay.
You see the waterfall,
Yep.
you know it's ready to go. You're gonna place it in there.
Excellent. About how long for each side?
You know, it depends. I just like to look for golden brown.
Excellent, okay.
And then you don't want to go too dark on this because we are going to finish it in the oven.
Ah, okay, good to know. Excellent.
All right, so we're going to let that go.
Excellent. Now, you say we're going to finish in the oven. Remind me, what temperature and roughly how long?
It's 400 degrees, and you just want to keep checking it. The one that we did here, it takes about 10 minutes at 400 degrees.
Excellent.
But you want the internal temperature to pull it at 140.
Okay.
And then let it rest for about 10, 15 minutes, and you should be there.
Yeah, you got to do that resting. It's hard because you want to bite right into it, but it's important.
You got to. So.
That's looking great.
All right, so we're gonna flip it.
I use the spatula whenever I'm doing it.
And then that's about what you're looking for, is to finish it in the oven.
Very nice.
All right. So we'll go ahead through the power of television.
Yep, here we go. Magic TV kitchen, and look at that. That is the end product. That looks great. Just on a nice bed of pasta there. Awesome.
Right.
Chef Kale, it smells amazing. That's a great job there. Thanks so much for joining us here at the Chef's Kitchen. For more great recipes and to learn about having the Chef's Kitchen cater your next event, visit us online, thechefskitchen.com. See you next time.
Thank you.
That is good. I love it. Excellent.